Hey guys, and welcome back to Jenny's One Voice. Today I'm going to be showing you the first ever order I got from none other than... Can you see it? It says Fidget Toys Plus, but this is from Mrs. Bench. And I got a card saying, "Thank you so much for ordering. I hope you like your package. Love, Mrs. Bench." And I ordered it from fidgettoysplus.com. I might need scissors for this one. Oh, actually I don't. There's a little opening. So I've been wanting stuff from her store for a while. Some of it is pretty expensive, so I'll have to work up to that. Like, I want a giant poppet, but I wasn't able to get that this time, so like I want a giant mermaid poppet or a giant unicorn poppet, but I'll have to work up to that, so we'll see, fingers crossed. But this time, but I did order some of the things I've been wanting. I ordered one of her pull-in pops, which is, you can put it on a keychain too. See? And then you can push it. It came pushed in, so that's not a very good example. And then you pull it. Came pushed in, so it's not a very good example. So you and then you push it, and then you pull it, and then you push it, and then you pull it, and the noise is so satisfying. Push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull. And then I got one of the things I've been wanting for a really long time. A hedgehog dimple! I'm so excited, I love it so much. And that's the hedgehog dimple. Hedgehog dimple! And then I did get Mad Lab glitter goo slime. I haven't opened it yet. Ooh, I'm not gonna do that on my bed, but it's so satisfying. It looks so satisfying, but I don't want to get it on my bed. And then I got this OMG faux squeezy cupcake squeeze toy, and it looks just like my favorite cupcakes. It's a stress ball. And look, it has a smiley face. Oh, oh my goodness, that is so satisfying. I'll definitely be using that. And then she sent me this pull and twist noise tube. Sensory tube. As a bonus, I didn't even buy this, she just sent it. And she also sent this sticker. Keep calm and fidget on. Well, that is all I got, and I am super excited about all of it. And I do hope you enjoyed this little mini haul from fidgettoysplus.com and Mrs. Bench. I love her and I love her fidgets, and I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this and just more videos in general, be sure to like and subscribe for all that Jenny's One Voice has to offer. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!